They celebrated the first successful cryogenic freezing. He had no way of letting them know he was still conscious. Officer, I just looked away for a second, and my baby was gone. I sobbed helplessly. That's better. I sounded much more convincing this time. I thought with a smile as I finally picked up the phone to call the police. She went upstairs to check on her sleeping toddler. The window was open, and the bed was empty. I found a dead body in my trunk today, which is strange because I remember putting 2 in there yesterday. Being the first responder to a fatal car accident is always the most traumatic thing I see as a police officer. But today, when the crushed body of a little boy strapped in his car seat opened his eyes and giggled at me, I immediately knew that today would be my last day on the force. I'd always wondered why my cat cried when I left her alone at night. The night after we buried her, I awoke to the sensation of someone stroking my hair and a rough voice close to my ear whispering, "Good kitty." I just saw my reflection blink. My mother's been screaming at the front door for hours now. She's not happy that I killed her. I have a friend named Charlie. I'm playing in his house, but it's cold down here in the basement. I wonder when Charlie will let me go home. My husband woke me up by kissing my cheek when he got home late. This morning I checked my phone. He stayed with a friend last night.